Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is going to be very special. This is a 1 week of my life during Christmas video. I'm gonna take you to this amazing festival called Grotesque Indoor Festival. Then we will go to A State of Trance studio for A State of Trance Top 50. And after that you will see what we do during Christmas with MissReOrder. And of course there will be a special Christmas giveaway in the end of this episode. So stay tuned for that and let's do this. Hey, what's up guys? It's Saturday, so you know what's happening. I'm heading over to Rotterdam today for this amazing event called Grotesque Indoor Festival. Let's do this. Amsterdam.
It's the calm before the chaos, the mask before it's torn off. Picture perfect.
So I just arrived to Amsterdam. As you can hear the screams behind me, there's a big protest by Greenpeace organized here, and it's raining heavily. The buses were not coming at all because of the Greenpeace protest, so I had to take Uber. Let's check in, prepare for the night, and go party. I'm in my hotel room right now in Amsterdam. I'm getting ready for the show. You can see the room is complete mess. And I'm working on a very special mashup because I like to give people something special every time on my show. Woohoo! Who's there?
Always got the cameraman. He's always got the camera.
We arrived, but unfortunately we were standing in the wrong entrance. Take two. Watch out! Don't die, please.
Did you get that on video?
No, I didn't. Can you do it again?
No. This one?
Sometimes the hand you hold turns cold, that's how you know it's over. When the leaves fall down to the ground, young love doesn't get any older. Everything has time and place, and an order in which it happens, confined to the ever-changing days, on the edge of breaking madness. My hands are shaking, the winds are changing. My hands are shaking, the winds are changing. Entropy, the way it's meant to be. Entropy, the way it's meant to be.
Hey guys, it's 5 AM. I'm outside my house and I'm waiting for my Uber because I'm heading over to State of Trance. It's the top 50 today and I was fortunate to be in top 50, so thank you very much for that. It's unbelievable, so thank you so much. And what did we do yesterday? Oh, we did this. Now let's go. I can't miss this flight. Yeah, I made it. I have my coffee. Everything is good. When you sleep 3 hours, it's not good. Look at me. Now I have to take a bus to A State of Trance studio. So let's do that. More coffee. Feels like I've been here like 2 days ago. Remember this building right behind me, guys? Well, if you can, tell me which vlog was this building in and comment it below. You get something nice from me for Christmas. I know it's after Christmas, but you still get it. Tell me in which vlog this beautiful building behind me was, and you get a nice present from me. I made it! Woohoo! Armada music, A State of Trance. Let's get in. So I have a couple of minutes to work on my remix for Armin Van Buuren here in Armada Music Studio. Guess who's here? It's Giuseppe Ottaviani! It's because I'm getting bold. It's Richard around me too, look. See the corners?
Oh, we need hair like this.
I'm losing it.
What an incredible remix at number 47. Atlantis, Fiji, remixed by one of the men that's been rocking it in 2019. I've been playing his in all my sets, I think, this year. Welcome to the studio, ReOrder! Hey! So tell us about this remix. How did you approach it? Because the original is a classic, of course. It must be scary to touch such a big classic.
It was, and it was double scary because I love this track. You know, when I started trance, this was one of the tracks that actually pushed me into trance because I was doing drum and bass.
Yeah.
And then when they asked me to remix this, I was shaking, man. I was like, how am I making this classic so people don't say it's really bad?
Yeah.
So I gave my heart to it and I just followed the original and that's it.
What was your highlight of 2019, personally?
Personally, highlights? Oh, well, there were so many, man.
Is there one particular track or moment this year in your career that you were like, this is amazing? This is what I will always remember?
Man, there were so many moments like these. During summer, before, when I did the remix for you and you played it on Tomorrowland.
Yeah.
I was at home and I had tears in my eyes. I'm like, wow, he's playing
That's awesome.
uplifting trance on Tomorrowland. I was like, wow, that changed my life like for good, man.
Is that strange to play uplifting trance at tomorrow?
No, not at all, I think. No.
I think you're the only one, so thank you for
Really?
that.
No, thank you, man. Thank you. Keep up the good work. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to ReOrder for number 47.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see what you're going to do next year.
Thank you.
And that's it for today. Let's go home, have some sleep finally, and let's continue tomorrow. Next day, we're in Dresden for the Christmas markets. We're very hungry, but I believe it's going to be beautiful, so I can't wait to show you everything that we saw here.
If you can see it here, and you have the courage enough to speak it, what will happen?
What is it that musicians have that they communicate with the crowd so well?
Music. It's something which accumulates through time. I don't need all that power. I just want to be myself.
So what did you buy?
Small parrot. It's decoration on the tree. It's a small parrot inside.
Okay, so you will show me later, yes?
Yeah.
Half-meter sausage. I'm gonna eat it all.
Good?
Exactly, yeah, it's amazing.
That was the markets here in Dresden. And now let's do some last minute Christmas shopping and let's go home, because tonight we're baking Christmas cookies. It's one day to Christmas. We are in Prague for the Christmas markets. I can't wait to see the presents. Come over here, be careful when you're ordering food because it's sold by grams. The price you see is usually for 100 grams and they are capable to give you like a 500 grams of meat, so you pay 5 times the price. Other than that, people are really nice and there's no snow this year, so it's a bit dull and grey, but still you can feel the atmosphere in here.
The legacy.
Lunchtime. And that's it for one day before Christmas. I'll see you tomorrow for the big day. There is something special that we do always one day before the Christmas day, and that's cutting the carp fish. Very traditional meal that we have for the dinner. If you want, just skip next 20 seconds because this will be bloody. What are you doing?
Making a fish.
Every Christmas day after lunch, we go out for a walk in the park with our doggies. Here they are. It's just so we, eat everything. So we empty our bellies by walking. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode and I'm really looking forward to see you for the next one. And before you go, I have a very special giveaway for all my viewers. I have 10 copies of my I Am Ready album from Black Hole Recordings that I can give away for free to 10 of you. Just comment below and tell me which episode of my vlog was your favorite in 2019. And of course the late Christmas present I was talking about earlier in this vlog, the I Am Ready cap from Tuneware, together with my I Am Ready album. So if you want to get it, just tell me in which episode of my vlog we saw that building. And that's really it, guys. And thank you very much for watching. And also big thanks for watching my vlog during 2019. It was an incredible year and I would like to thank you all for all your support. And I wish you all the best in the next decade. I hope you have a good one. And I'll see you soon. Ciao!
I was a very good boy. And I've been complaining a lot for the past 3 years that I didn't get any socks. So, here it is. Merry Christmas and see you for the next one. Ciao.